This is my drawing of Pikachu, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. For today's lesson, we'll be drawing this character from a 3/4 position, so let's start from the top left side of our page with a circle for the eye. Go all the way around and back up towards the top, and then along the top of the eye, draw a smaller circle for highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom of the eye in black, going around that highlight. Now because we're rotating this character, the eye on the left is going to appear a little bit narrower, so we're going to go all the way across. Start from the very top, we're just going to line up the top and bottom, go all the way up, add a small circle across the top for a highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom of the eye in black. Now we want to move the center of the face all the way over towards the left side. We're going to draw a small oval for the nose, and then just underneath the nose, let's add a point. Let's curve the mouth, starting with the left side, coming down. I'm just going to bend this up, aiming towards the eye. Go back to the center, coming down, and bend that up. Underneath this curve on the left, we're going to bend the mouth. We're going to open this up, coming down, round up the mouth, and then bend that back up on the right. And then in the center, we're going to add a curve, going up and then across. Now let's line up with the bottom of the left eye. We're going to move out, we're going to bump out the cheek. We're going to go out, come all the way around, and then pull that in towards the chin. Let's go back up to the cheek, round up the head, going up around the eye, go across the head, and then out. Now layer the right ear on top of the head. So we're going to step back in, curve this up, go all the way across, and then out. Let's draw the bottom of the ear. We're going to come down, around, and then in. Let's layer the left ear in behind. So we're going to start from the top. We're going to point this up slightly, going up, bend this down, and then back out in behind the head. Let's add that trim on the tip of the ears. Starting from the outside, bend this up and then in. Now on the top of the right ear, we're going to bend this down and then in. Now I'm going to use my thick black marker and fill the tips of each ear. Now I want to continue to curve the head underneath the ear, so we're going to bend this out and then down. Let's round out the back of the neck, going out across the body, and we'll bend that down. We're going to blend it into the bottom of the leg. So we're just going to curve this around, pull this up towards the center of the body, and just pull that out towards the left. Let's go underneath the chin. We're going to leave a gap, curve the body, coming around and down, towards the thigh, round out the leg. I'm just going to tuck that up and then in underneath. Now while we're down here, we're going to add the feet. Let's start with the one on the left. Curve this down and then in, round out the foot, and then bend it back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down and out, round out the foot, and then bend that back up. And then we're going to separate the toes with 2 curves along the bottom on each side. Now over on the left inside this gap, we're going to draw in the back arm. Let's start underneath the head. Start with the top of the arm, bend this out and then down. Now I want to add 4 pointy fingers. We're going to add 1, 2, let's add the 3rd finger. Now the 4th finger, we're going to come in towards the wrist. Let's bend the arm, coming down and then in behind the body. Now in this space along the top, we're going to add another point for the thumb. Let's line this up over towards the center of the body and add this hand. We're going to start with 4 points going up. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Now the thumb, we're going to go out and in, round out the arm, and then bend that back up. Let's go back on top of the thumb, bend the top of the arm, going up and then across. Now I'm going to go back and add the cheeks. The one on the left is going to start along the side of the cheek, going around, down, and then back out. Let's line at the top over on the right side underneath the eye, draw a full circle. On the right side of the body, there's these two stripes. So we start up here. We're gonna draw almost like a half oval, coming in and then out. Step down and draw that again. And now we're gonna add in the tail. Starting with the top, we're gonna go out, go up and in, go out. Now let's draw a longer line, going all the way up to the top of the tail, and curve this all the way out towards the edge of our page. Let's work our way across the side and the bottom. So we're gonna angle those down. Now we're gonna taper this. So it gets narrower as you come in, angle this down, come back in. Now the tail gets thinner as you come down and then back in towards the side of the body. And we're gonna separate the end of the tail with a couple points. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Pikachu from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.